Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a transparent background in Canva for free. So let's get into it. First of all, log into your Canva account. Select the image you want to work on. If you click download and you hit high quality PNG, this is going to download the image in the highest quality and then the PNG version you need for transparency. Once you have that downloaded, you will see that here. You have to open another app. This is called lunapic.com. Now, if you go over to lunapic.com, it's completely free and you can upload any video, image, anything you want to edit right into Lunapic. I'm going to browse and upload that logo that we are just talking about. And you'll see that the upload is pretty quickly. Now, to make this transparent, all you need to do is to go to Edit, Transparent, and then select the areas that you would like to make transparent. So I'm clicking on the white area. Look at that. The image is now transparent. All the white has been taken out and you'll have a transparent logo that you can place on your site. After that, you just have to go to File, Save Image, and save as a PNG for transparent. And that will download for free for you. You can open it up, and as soon as this opens up, you will notice that it is completely transparent. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.